Ever felt trapped? Like your digital life, meticulously organized, is suddenly locked in a box with no key? I'm talking about your projects, your tasks, your entire workflow all neatly tucked away in Asana, but in the wrong account. Maybe you're switching jobs, maybe you accidentally created a personal Asana space for work, or perhaps, like me, you just need to consolidate. The question burns. Can you actually transfer Asana to another account? Is it even possible to liberate your data from this digital fortress? Music fades out completely, replaced by a more upbeat, inquisitive tone. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You dive headfirst into a new tool, excited to streamline your life, and then bam, you realize you've made a crucial account-related blunder. It's like building a sandcastle on the wrong beach, beautiful, but ultimately unsustainable. And when that beach is your precious Asana workspace, the stakes are high. Now, Asana, bless its collaborative heart, is fantastic. It's the backbone of countless teams and projects, a digital sanctuary for productivity. But what happens when that sanctuary is built on the wrong foundation? What happens when you need to move it? We're not just talking about a few tasks here. We're talking about projects with dependencies, custom fields, meticulously crafted templates, and maybe even integrations with other critical tools. The thought of losing all that, of having to rebuild it from scratch, is enough to send shivers down any project manager's spine. So, let's cut to the chase. The short answer, frustratingly, isn't a simple yes or no. Asana doesn't offer a direct, one-click, transfer account button. Imagine if they did. It would be like a digital moving company, seamlessly relocating your entire workspace. But alas, we live in a world of workarounds and strategic maneuvering. Why? Well, Asana's architecture is built around workspaces and organizations, not individual user accounts. Think of it like a building with different apartments. Your data is tied to the building, not just your specific room. Moving apartments within the building is relatively straightforward. Moving the entire building, however, requires a different approach. So, what are our options? How do we navigate this labyrinth of digital data transfer? Let's break it down. First, let's understand the different levels of Asana organization. Organizations. These are for companies and larger teams, often using company domains. They provide centralized administration and control. Workspaces. These are for smaller teams or individuals, often based on personal email addresses. They're more flexible and less structured. Projects. These are the containers for your tasks, timelines, and conversations within a workspace. Tasks. The individual units of work within a project. Knowing this hierarchy is crucial. If you're moving within the same organization, transferring projects is significantly easier than moving between completely separate organizations. Option 1. Moving projects within the same organization or workspace. This is the most straightforward scenario. If you're staying within the same Asana ecosystem, you can simply invite your new account as a collaborator to the projects you need to move. Here's how. Invite your new account. Go to the project you want to transfer, click on Share, and invite your new Asana account using its email address. Make your new account a project member. Ensure your new account has the necessary permissions to access and edit the project. Duplicate the project, optional but recommended if you want to keep the original project intact. Duplicate it. This creates a copy in your new account. Transfer ownership. If needed in some cases, you might need to transfer ownership of the project to your new account. This can be done through the project settings. This method works well for moving individual projects. However, it can become tedious if you have numerous projects to transfer. Option 2. Moving projects between different organizations or workspaces. This is where things get more complex. Asana doesn't offer a direct export/import feature for entire workspaces. So we need to get creative. Here are a few workarounds. CSV export/import. You can export your tasks from Asana as a CSV file. This allows you to transfer the basic task information, such as task names, assignees, due dates, and descriptions. However, it won't include project structures, dependencies, or custom fields. To export, go to the project, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select Export/Print CSV. To import, go to your new workspace, create a new project, and select Import CSV. This method is time-consuming and requires careful mapping of data fields. It's best suited for smaller projects with simple task structures. Third-party integration tools. Several third-party tools can help you migrate data between Asana accounts. These tools often offer more advanced features, such as transferring custom fields, dependencies, and project structures. However, they may come with a cost and require careful setup. Search for Asana migration tools to find options. Be sure to research each tool and read reviews before using it. Manual recreation. In some cases, the most reliable, albeit time-consuming, option is to manually recreate your projects in the new account. This involves creating new projects, tasks, and custom fields, and then copying and pasting the data from the old account. This is best for complex projects where accuracy is paramount. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.